So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and make your applications bigger on your iPhone on iOS 26. Now doing this is very basic. To get started, what you're first going to want to do is you want to go ahead and basically hold down on an application. So hold down on an application like this and you're going to see this little pop-up come up. What we want to do is we want to tap on the edit home screen option that shows up right here. So tap on edit home screen. And then you're going to see these icons kind of start shaking around a little bit. What we're going to want to do here is we want to tap on the edit button that's in the top left corner. So tap on edit and we're going to see this little prompt essentially come up. Now what we're going to want to do here is we want to click on the customize button that shows up in this particular page. So tap on customize and then you're going to go ahead and see this little pop-up come up here. So now you can go and kind of see that there's these little icons, whatever. If you look in the top right corner of this little box right here, you're going to see these kind of icons, like these two squares. If you actually tap onto those squares, you're going to see that the icons will go and change from being a smaller icon to a bigger icon. So you can go through and kind of click it onto it, and you can go and see that the icons will now change. So now you can choose the smaller icon or bigger icon depending on which way you want to go. And whenever you're ready, you can tap out of it, and now you have those bigger icons. So that's essentially how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.